Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to add some shelves to this closet. So here's the plan. We're going to lower this just a little bit and bring it clear across there, but we want that to be able to be stored there. And then we're going to lower this down in the area right here. So we'll have 1, 2, and then 3 all the way across. Let's get started. So these brackets have little flares at the end of them that the only way to get them out is to squeeze them, and then that leaves enough room so you can just pull them right out. Next, we're going to lower this one, so we're going to get this one out of there. We're pushing that in, and it comes out much easier. Here first. There we go. Not bad. So now we're going to put this shelf the same distance that the other shelf is going to be above it, but we're going to count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're going to go in that spot right there. Again, we just squeeze those in just a little bit. They go in there, and then they get in that angle, and that's going to keep that pretty secure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So we're going 1 below the 8. That's the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And squeeze it a little bit, and they slide right in. Now we're going to put that one in clear across that area right there. So the shelves go back pretty much the same way they came out. It's a little tricky. And then what you gotta do is you gotta line these slots right up right there. All the way across. And once you get them lined up, all 3 of them no less, lined up there, lined up there, lined up there. Let's see if we can push this in. And push, you got that one. You got, let's see, you got that one, you got that one too. I need this one here. I think that's it. I think we got them all 3. Yeah. Okay, they're in there good enough, right? And they sit back there. So that's how you get those. We've already got the bottom one in. And you want to see that little slot I'm talking about? It's right about there. I just got to slide into that slot on all 3 of those. Because we will be adding length to the new shelf, we had to add a support piece. Because it mounted in the corner, we were able to screw the support piece right into the 2x4. We put 2 screws into the support bracket, one at the bottom and one at the top. Pretty much in any corner of a room, you'll be able to find a 2x4 close by. Next, I wanted to double check and make sure that we were level across the shelving support pieces. Looks like we're level. The shelf itself needs to be 52¼ inches long. The shelf we purchased is 60 inches long, so we're going to need to shorten the new shelf a little bit. So when we measured about 52¼ inches end to end in that closet, but I don't have a bolt cutter. That would work perfect. So we're going to use a DeWalt oscillating tool. That should get us through. They're just not as easy as a bolt cutter. So let's see how we do. What's it got here? Well, I got the new shelves in, not too bad. We've got the one down on the ground there, that's an extra one. And we've got this one that goes all the way across now. So That gives us a little more extra space, but we still have space to put our vacuum cleaner and a broom of some sort. The Home Depot brand is a little bit thinner. That's about 3/4 of an inch, and that might be about maybe 1.25 inches. So a little bit different. Maybe the other quality is better, but I think this is going to work. It seems pretty sturdy. It is definitely level, and I think it worked out okay. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.